This is Stuart's Adventures. This is my new mic position. This is the third video I've made today. Trying to get the microphone to work. And God help me if it's not working right now, I'm going to be pissed. I am going to be pissed. I tell ya. But it should be working. Should definitely be working. And because it's also very windy, and like hopefully that's not interfering too much with it. I mean it's inside my helmet, so you know, like obviously that can't happen. Stuart, you're an idiot. That's obviously not going to be the case. Just because your bike's so fucking loud, no one can hear you over it. Because you think it's sick to have a mad exhaust on your bike, which it is sick, mind you. It's fucking awesome. But people watching your video aren't going to think that, are they? When they can't hear you talking. Oh well. Fuck them. Nah, just kidding. You guys love me. You guys love me. All three of you who watch my videos. Watch me ride my shitty motorbike. Didn't have to wait for those lights for once. Normally they take ages. I'm trying not to rev too much. It's really, really hard. On this lovely day, I just really want to go hard and just hammer my bike out. This is a nice little road to ride up. Practice some drop knees, eh? I'm a fucking sick dog. I'm not really, I'm a loser. I just like to think I'm MotoGP. I like to think I'm Casey Stoner sometimes. And I also have to get used to riding a road bike, coming from dirt bikes, putting my foot out for the corners and shit. What the fuck is this dangling shit on me? It's pissing me off. I know it's definitely not the microphone because I can't go anywhere, so I don't know why I'm stressing so much. I can't believe how much heat is coming off this road right now. It's ridiculous. It really is ridiculous. Guys, let's speak. I mean, you gotta slow the fuck down. Oh wait, no I don't. It takes a photo from the front, not the back. It is bloody windy out here. And bloody hot. And you probably can't hear me, and that makes me sad, and I hope you can hear me. I really do, and I hope it's not too windy in here. Look at that guy, exercising, good on him. I mean, technically we're doing the same thing, we're both riding bikes, you know. Look at that, guy on a scooter, two people on a scooter, that's what I like to see. Jesus Christ, and I just got blown off my bike. Whoa, holy shit, that was intense. Literally the front wheel just got blown, that was fucked. I did not think it would make that much difference. But there you go, it's that windy. It is that windy. I'm a little bit scared now, actually. I'm a little bit scared that I'm probably not going to make it home without falling off my bike. Out on this open road. That was fucking scary. That was fucking scary. Alright, anyway. We'll just forget that happened. And maybe I'm not going to go the long way home. Maybe I'm going to go the short way home. Is my camera still recording? It certainly is. Thank God. Thank God, I hope you can hear me. Otherwise I'm looking like an idiot with a camera on my face for nothing. As I come around this corner, you should be able to see the city in the background. My camera's pretty shit, so you probably actually won't be able to see the city in the background, but it's there, covered in beautiful pollution and fog. My arms are getting sunburnt right now, and that's painful as shit, but that's alright. Everything's alright. Hey, everything is alright. I'm having fun. You're having fun. Pretending that you're riding. I'm actually sitting out here in the sun dying. You're sitting in a nice cold room. Probably not. You're probably not even watching my video. No one's probably watching my video. Who wants to watch me ride a motorbike? That is the question. Who wants to watch me ride a fucking motorbike? I'm gonna sit forward a bit. I'm gonna keep some weight on this front wheel so I don't get blown off. How does that sound for a good idea, Stuart? Oh, you're getting blown off again. You know what? My camera is like a sail, and when the wind comes from the right, it blows my head to the left. And that's always a good thing, I guess. You know what they say, your bike goes where your head goes, so every time the wind comes, I go to the left and crash into those trees there and that wall. Oh, you can't actually see the city because I wasn't looking up, sorry guys. But it's over there, straight ahead. And I'm not gonna go straight ahead. Nah. Should I go on the bus? Nah, I'm gonna go left. I think there's some nice windy roads over here. I think there's also a speed camera that's probably gonna get me. I don't want to ride for too long because I don't have much battery left on my camera. And it's windy, and I don't want to die today. Any other day will be fine, I just don't want to die today. Alright, yeah, these are nice roads. This should be fun. I think the speed gun is off this road actually. I think there might be. Go on MotoGP up here. We go on MotoGP. And Gate Stone's coming around the corner. Is he gonna win this race? The bets are on him not winning, but that's alright. I'm just kidding, I'm not Casey Stoner. I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. I'm an idiot who does this. He's an idiot. And I swear to God, if there's a camera, speed camera, or police up here, I'm gonna have a cry. I'm gonna have a cry. I cannot believe how windy it is, and how I almost just died before. I almost died before. That's life, but I guess, isn't it? Oh. I don't know if anyone else has this problem, or if it's just me, but my nuts are getting squashed. Like, I don't know if it's where I'm sitting against this tank, but my nuts are just getting pinched up against my leg. And I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Alright, come up here on the left is where my grandma lives, in an older folks home. That's some interesting information. Right there. Hello. I don't visit her. But you know, who has time for that? Not me. I'm too busy having fun on my motorcycle to be visiting her. I shouldn't say that, that's really mean. But I feel every time I visit her, someone else is going to try and get me in there. They're all waiting for their parent, like their family, relatives to come along and say, hey. Take you down to the back roads, because it might be a little bit less windy down here. Please be no cars, because I will get fucked up. I'm already going faster than I should be. Just kidding. I'm doing the speed limit, I always am. All us motorbike riders, always doing the right thing, always doing the speed limit. Always doing the speed limit, so we don't get pulled over. I don't mind driving through here actually, it's just really fucking shitty roads. And a lot of cars park on each side of the road like this. And if I'm coming through here and someone else coming through here, guess who gets fucked up? The car. No, just kidding, me. I get splattered across the fucking road. We don't think about that sort of shit, do we? We just ride our bike and do sick jumps over these speed bumps. Woo! Sick jumps. Another one. Woo! Yeah! Man, I'm Evel Knievel. There's another one. A big one. Woo! Hey, got a little bit of air off that one. Yeah, I'm pretty stupid. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. I don't know why I just said that. No car's gonna get me today. I really wish I could have showed you the video I filmed before, because I nearly got killed by a bus and that would have been hilarious to watch. But the sound didn't work, so I thought, fuck it, I won't put it up. I think I still have the video actually. I might put it up. I might put it up. I might just put up that little clip at the end of this. I might just put that up. Yeah, good idea, Stuart. You know what people want to see. You almost dying. That's what I'd want to see if I was watching a video. Cut the corner, no worries. I'm actually indicating a lot more than I used to. I say used to as if I've been riding for ages. I've only been riding for about a week. But I never indicate, because I'm ruthless. I just feel as though if people know which way I'm going, they're going to try and hit me more. I just make it a big surprise for everybody, really, even myself sometimes. I just do whatever. I mean, on shit like this, when people are coming down behind me to like take me out, I like to indicate. But every other time, I don't really care. I'm going to check if my camera's still recording. And it is, thank God. It's a bit awkward when it doesn't record. It is a bit awkward. Or when it dies and you're like, you do something sick and you're like, yes, I got that on video. But you didn't really. You didn't really at all. Man, I feel a bit weird talking to myself, but really, I'm not really actually talking to myself, am I? I'm talking to you guys. You 3 lucky viewers. Or 4 lucky viewers. Or no viewers really. I don't have any viewers. I don't have anybody who watches this crap. What am I doing waiting for these cars? I'm faster than they are. I could just go right now. But I'm not stupid. I also don't know why I accelerate so fast. Because I can't actually go that fast, can I? I can only go 50 k's here. Which I'm doing, by the way. But I feel like a better person when I accelerate fast. I'm on a motorbike, I gotta enjoy it. And I also feel like a sick cunt when I do stuff like this. When I'm like, I don't give no shits. I'm not gonna go the way I'm meant to go. I'm gonna go through here. Yeah! Because I'm on a bike and I can do what I want. How's that for logic? I'm on a bike, I can do what I want. I think I'm pretty funny. I think it's pretty windy. I'm gonna get down a bit lower. MotoGP, around this corner, it's coming in for the fucking finisher. Ah, yes. My Adventures, Stuart's Adventures. What a great title for a fucking YouTube channel. Stuart's Adventures. It's straight to the point. They're my adventures. I'm Stuart. And this has been good fun. And I'm gonna leave it there. Catch you later.